had a Mark IV on the dyno not that long ago that had a Borg Warner EFR on it. It had a silicone reducer elbow coming off the turbo, and it split on the dyno. And that's when we were looking up a new part for it. We realized that they're actually not rated for much PSI because the way the silicone has to transition, it makes them not as strong as just a straight coupler. So when I make charge pipes, I try and use as many straight couplers as possible because they don't have to actually hold any pressure in, they just have to hold the tubes together. And so it was a lot of planning that went into making the charge pipes for this car because there's a limited amount of space, because I wanted to retain the battery in the front of the car instead of cutting a hole in the frame rail in order to pass the charge pipe up through and relocating the battery. So I ended up making a charge pipe that's two different sizes. It's just 2.5 down at the bottom to get around the AC compressor, and then it swells back up to 3 inch.